Hey guys, what it do? Y'all already know your weekly update, cooking with Jaguar. Y'all already know I'm coming with the fire bikini. So this one right here, of course, boom, FASHIONOVA. So this right here is a real sporty piece. So if you're not really like a girly girl, all that good stuff, this right here is going to put you in a pocket. It's still cute, it's still flirty, and definitely comfortable as fuck, you know. So like this right here would give me jet ski vibes. Like if I'm hitting a jet ski, this right here is what I would definitely go to. So I'm gonna put everything in the link below, but this is definitely a two-piece from FASHIONOVA. Now they do have it so that you can mix and match it. That's the reason why I love FASHIONOVA, because you can always mix and match your bathing suits. So guys, this right here, definitely under $25. You got to make sure you cop this right here. This is super cute, and it's given natural but still fun colors. You know, it's not too much, not doing too much, not too childish at all, but still, you know, giving I'm outside. So guys, today I got something special for you. Okay, yes, I have searched high and low for these freaking dumplings, guys. So we are going to be cooking these dumplings today. I didn't heard mixed reviews. I didn't heard the pork was better than the chicken. I do have the pork, but I have the extra large bag of the pork. So I'm going to try the chicken first, and push come to shove, if these are not good, then we're definitely going to try the pork. So I got the sriracha sauce. I got the sweet chili sauce. I have the red crushed peppers. So we are going to mix it all up. It says put in the microwave. So we're going to try the microwave. And I also, guys, wait a minute. Hold that. Boom. I got the chopsticks to go with it. So we are going to have some fun today. Got my chopsticks, got my dumplings, finally. And I went to so many different stores. I went to 2 Walmarts. I went to Family Dollar. I heard they were there. And I finally found them at Shoppers, guys. So yes, the chicken dumplings and the pork dumplings are at Shoppers. So yes, we're going to try these. So stay tuned. So y'all already know I can't cook without my apron, so I gotta put my lovely apron on. Y'all already know I cannot cook without my apron. Gotta put my lovely apron on. Yeah. So y'all know I can't cook without my lovely apron. Gotta put my apron on. Yes, indeed. So we are going to put this apron on, guys. Ooh, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I was so pressed for these dumplings. They better be good too, because I was pressed. I was waiting to do this review. Oh, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Okay, guys. So I'm about to set up. I'm going to do a quick rundown on all the sauces and spices that I'm going to add to the dumplings. So stay tuned. We got the red crushed peppers. Now, I got the cream sriracha, but I'm not going to use a lot of this because I'm not really big on spices, but we'll see. Here we go. We got the sweet red chili. Boom. And we got the sweet sauce. Now, it says it comes with sauce, but we'll see. And just in case if you forgot, this is what I am going to be cooking up. Microwave. Okay, it says microwave. It says cut the bag. And for a minute and... They fell. But this is what they look like, okay? So it says a minute and 45 seconds. Cut the bag open, add the sauce. Boom. So let's see. Take your scissors. Okay. So I'm going to like put them back where they were, guys. This is what they look like before I put them in the microwave for a minute and 45 seconds. Okay, guys? So, yes. This is what the dumplings are. Close up, close up. Ooh, this shit better be good. You see? All right, bet. Here we go. Got my chopsticks. So I'm gonna take 2 out. Yeah. Super cool. Okay. Okay, guys, we're back. Here they are. So first, red crushed peppers. Okay. Then I'm going to put the sauce on now. So this is the sauce that came with it. So you're just going to kind of juice more. Look. Oh, shit. I think I was supposed to snip them a little bit. Snip them. Snip them. Snip them. Snip them. Okay. Then the sweet chili. Oh, shit. Ah! Now, I'm going to just do like sriracha on like 2. 1, 2. I'll do, okay. All right, I'm going to put the sriracha on. That's it. That's it. That's it. All right, guys, here we go. Here we go. This is the dumpling challenge. This is what mine look like, okay? Here we go. All right, and get a little bit of that juice. Oh. Oh my God. Like, I'm a very picky eater. This shit is the fuck good. Woo! Baby. Oh man. That shit is good. Oh my God. Really? This. This is good. This was definitely worth the manhunt today. Like, it was worth me hunting to find these babies, okay? It was worth it. All right. It was worth the manhunt. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Yeah. This is really good. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna have to make a part 2 because I'm not gonna be able to finish this video. Wow. And I'm such a picky eater. Guys, make sure y'all tune in. Cooking with Jaguar, YouTube, all that Jaguar lifestyle.